Here's a step-by-step guide to assembling your custom 3-shelf wooden display rack for showcasing your One Blessed Acre farm soaps and lotions. Step 1. Organize your pieces. Lay out all the wood pieces to ensure you have the 3 shelves, 2 side panels, and top support. Step 2. Secure the unit with top logo piece. Step 3. Attach the side panels to the bottom shelf. Stand the 2 side panels upright. Position the bottom shelf between them, aligning the slots. Repeat this step for the remaining 2 shelves. Step 4. Set up and style. Place your handcrafted goat milk soaps and lotions neatly on the shelves. As always, don't hesitate to reach out to me if you have any questions or issues in assembly at info@oneblessedacre.com.